Experiencing no internet on Cricket Wireless? First, determine if it's a Wi-Fi or cellular issue. Check your signal strength. Weak signals below 3 bars often mean tower issues or interference. If it's Wi-Fi, ensure your router is functioning and you're connected to the correct network. If cellular, move to an area with clearer signal. Is it just you with the problem or all devices connected? Make sure to also verify that your bill is fully paid. First, restart your phone and modem or router to clear temporary glitches. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. On your phone, perform a network reset through Settings, System Reset Options, then reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Verify your Cricket APN settings are correct, using NDC for data. Ensure your device's operating system and Cricket app are updated to the latest versions. Use the My Cricket app to run speed tests or diagnose errors. If problems persist, contact Cricket support for assistance or SIM card troubleshooting. If all these steps fail, it could be a wider AT&T outage affecting service.